In this next workout, we're going to be doing something called the suitcase split squat. And you'll do one round on your right leg and one round on your left leg. The suitcase split squat will start with feet at armpit width. And I'm going to take a large step out, approximately one leg's distance apart. What's going on in my spine and legs is critical. So I want to make sure I've got the details down before I even add weight into the hands with dumbbells. First things first, starting with the feet, the front foot needs to be flat. And when I drop the back knee down, the front heel needs to stay on the ground. In other words, I'm not driving the knee forward. I'm moving straight up and down like a carousel pony. The back foot, I'll show you from a different angle. The back heel has the tendency to want to drop in. I want to get it straight up and down, balancing on both ball of foot, inner and outer, equally.